everybody, to Dan and Sarah Makers here. Thank you for joining us for another one of our garden shed build videos, and we are starting on our roof sheeting. I was able to get one sheet up by myself earlier today, and we just got a second sheet on. Those are really kind of hard to film just because we are trying to get sheeting up on the back side where our garden fence is. So it's very tight quarters, very limited. We can't get a ladder out to where it's easy to be, but we've got the first two sheets on. Sarah's starting to mark out, and she's going to start nailing those sheets off, and we will proceed with getting the rest of the roof sheeted. Go ahead and lift it up so it doesn't jam. Go off the fill, can you at all or not? There you go. Just a little bit more like that. Just got a couple inches. There we go. All right. Back my way. I'm gonna try and put a nail in here. Okay, we're looking pretty good still. With a headless nail, that doesn't do us much good here. Hi there. Very, very carefully. Good morning. We are back at it. We got darked out last night. It got too dark to continue working on the roof sheeting. We got about 75% of it done yesterday. So we're going to try and rush and get as much as we can get done this morning, and then try, if possible, to get the synthetic felt paper on to at least dry in the roof. We've got rain in the forecast today. Right now it's not. So we're going to get after it. Sarah is driving the last nail in our roof. Yay! Yay!
All right, everyone, it's starting to sprinkle. We got the last of the sheeting on, and just in time for the rain to start. We have about 6 days of rain in the forecast. So we're going to put this beautiful blue tarp on our sheeting so it doesn't get soaked. And in the meantime, we might work on maybe framing in the windows, putting in the door jambs, that kind of thing. It'll be undercover. And in the meantime, be sure to like, subscribe, share. Follow us on Instagram at Dan and Sarah Makers. And we hope these videos inspire you to get out there and do something. Have a great one. Bye.